I feel the warmth of the sun on my skin. It brings life to everything. I breathe deep and take in my world and exhale, thankful to be so free. I feel the touch of a loved one and cherish every opportunity to taste life with those I adore and revel in Earth's natural jewelry. I hear the laughter of friends over the roar of a crowd. I feel the cleansing rush of Earth's cool water, erasing all stress and reminding me I am lucky to live this life, fortunate to breathe this air. I am grateful for these amazing sights and fond of these times we share. It is only when we can appreciate what we are given that we truly understand our purpose, that we truly know what it means to live. So with my senses as my guide, I experience every moment amplified. I'm free. I'm me. I'm grateful to be where I can be, in my natural state.